Pay homage to the Buddha by reciting Namo Tassa 3 times. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Amma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Faithful devotees, after 2 months, we are going to start again our Abhidhamma lessons, Abhidhamma talk. I think everyone remember, may I think remember about the 28 Rupa we studied before. Uh, After that, we are classified Rupa according to the Dhamma Sangani Rupa chapter, but we already selected some parts only, but not all. But anyway, today also we have to start from Dhamma Sangani book, classified into two groups about the Rupa. Atti Rupang Upada, Atti Rupang No Upada. Atti Rupang Upada, there is Rupa which is derived. There is Rupa which is not derived. Great essentials means the 28 Rupa we can divide into two ways. Upada Rupa, there are 24, and not Upada means 4 Mahabhuta become there are 4. There are 4. Now, what are the 4 great essentials Rupa? I think everyone remember that. Please look at your notes. Page number 7, and sister also now the sharing in the screen also. What are the 4 essentials Rupa means Mahabhuta? Earth element, water element, fire element, and wind element means Patavi Dhatu, Apo Dhatu, Tejo Dhatu, and Vayu Dhatu. What are the Upada Rupa? There are 24 type of derived material, means Upada Rupa, Upada materiality. 14 type of, but anyway, but those are 24 Rupa. We can understand, first of all, there are 5 sensitivity materiality, 5 pasada. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and body. We already know before, so we study, no? Eye, ear, nose, and nose, tongue, and body. There are 5 sensitivity material. And objective material, Gochara Rupa. There are how many? Color, sound, smell, taste, and tangible, touch. Actually, touch meaning there are 3 elements. No? Touch means earth, fire, air. But according to the Upada group, we are not calling touch, except touch. But there we have to take only color, sound, smell, and taste only. Only 4 according to the Upada Rupa. And about the 2 Bhava Rupa, 6 materiality. What are the male 6 materiality and female 6 materiality? Itti Bhava and Purisa Bhava Rupa. Next one, heart base. Everyone know about heart base. Next one we call life faculty, life faculty, life faculty. And next one is ahara rupa, nutritive essence, ahara rupa, ahara, kabalinkaro, ahara, edible food, no? Kabalinkaro, ahara. And after that, explaining uh, uh, space element, akasa dhatu, and two intimation rupa. What are the two intimation? Bodily intimation and verbal intimation, kaya vinyati and vachi vinyati. And after that, the change materiality, vikara rupa. There are three: lahota, mudutta, and kamanyata. Lightness, softness, and wilderness. And after that, explaining characteristic materiality, about the Lakkhana Rupa. There are four: Upachaya, Santati, Jarata, and Anichata. Generation, continuity, aging, and impermanence. Now, you can briefly, you can get the meaning according to the first group. They classify into two groups, no? The how they divide 28 rupa, upada one group, and next group no upada. No upada mean there are four elements, and no upada meaning other rest 24 rupa. Okay, this is a first group. Please continue by the next group. Next classification, according to the Dhammasangani book, Upadinnan and Anupadinnan. Upadinnan and Anupadinnan. Actually, Upadin meaning, they say the grasped. Actually, this one, the materiality that is Kamma bone kalapa, Kamma bone rupa, Kammaja rupa, Kammaja rupa, Kamma bone rupa. It's called Upadin. Anupadin meaning materiality that is not Kamma bone. This is the meaning. Now, okay, now you, those are the 28 rupa. We can make the another two group, Kamma bone rupa and not Kamma bone rupa. First one is a Kamma bone rupa and second one is not Kamma bone rupa. When we are going to the divide according to that group, some rupa definitely only Kamma bone kalapa. The sum of the rupa definitely not Kamma bone kalapa, but some rupa, the sometime the join with the Kamma bone kalapa, sometime not join with the Anupadina kalapa, like the middle, no? We call the anekanta, not sure. They say upadin also we can make the two group according chart, the drawing. They had a circle, no? Red color circle we call the upadina group. The blue color circle is an anupadina group. Okay. Now definitely there are 9 rupa only upadina. The 9 rupa. Definitely there are 8 rupas anupadina. But there are 11 middle. The 11 means they are both. The 11 including for the upadina and anupadina. Now this way, how many Kamma bone kalapa? Sorry, Kamma bone rupa means the 9 plus 11 become 20. 9 plus 11 become 20. How many not Kamma bone kalapa? 11 plus 8 become 19. 11 plus 8 become 19. But same way, now the 9, 11, 8. 9 plus 11 plus 8 total become 28. Now you see, those are the 28 rupa. We can make the two group, Upadinna Kamaborn Rupa, Anupadinna not Kamaborn Rupa. Then there are 9, definitely only Kamaborn Rupa. There are 8, definitely not Kamaborn Rupa. There are 11, including to the both sides. Now the next, please continue. But they have the chart. There are 28 Rupa the one side. After that, they divide Upadinnam, Anupadinnam. The red color is Upadinna, blue color is Anupadinna. The middle is the Anekanta, including for the both side. Now we can read and to understand what are the 9 Upadina Rupa, what are the 8 Anupadina Rupa, what are the 11 for the both side. This is a you can read and understand. Example, the Patavi Dhatu, Apo Dhatu, Tejo Dhatu, Vayo Dhatu. There are 4 elements Anekanta because including in the Kamarupa and including in the not Kamabon Rupa also. After they are the 5 Pasada, Chakku, Sota, Ghana, Juha, Kaya. There are 5 Rupa, only Kamabon Rupa. After that, explain Rupa Ayatana, the color object. The color object must be Anekanta because color we can see in the Kama group, same way with the another group also. About the Saddha Rupa, sound. Sound is cannot be Kamabon Rupa. This is a Anekanta. Sorry, the Anupadina. Anupadina is the not Kamabon Rupa. And the same smell and taste object also 2 Rupa Anekanta become Anekanta. Not sure means the including for the both sides. After they have the 3 faculty, Ittindriya, Purisindriya, and Jivitindriya. There are 3 faculties, including Kamabon Kalapa. Definitely Kamabon Kalapa. After that, they had a 2 intimation, Vinyati. 2 intimation, Kaya Vinyati and Vachi Vinyati. This 2 is Anupadina Rupa. And Akasa, space element. Space element also in the Anekanta, in the middle. And after that, they have the 3 changing Rupa, no? Lahuta, Muduta, and Kamanyata. Those are including Anupadina group. And after that, they say the Upachaya and Santati. Upachaya Santati, the including Anekan, the middle group. And Jarata Anichata is including in the Eka Anupadina Ekanta group. After that, Kabalinkaro Aharo, there is Anekanta, Oja Rupa. And Hade Rupa, heart base, is including Upadina group. Now you can count how many Upadina Ekanta Rupa. Ekanta Rupa, there are 9. How many Upadina Anekanta Rupa? There are 11. There are 11. How many Anupadina Ekanta Rupa? There are 8. There are 8. How many Anupadina Anekanta Rupa? There are 11. 11. Now, you can now you know about the how many Kama born Rupa and how many not Kama born Rupa according to the Dhamma Sangani book. But now we are not going to call the Kalapa group. This is a individual Rupa. We are counting only individual Rupa. That's okay. You understand? Okay. Now we can go to the next group, quite similar with the last notes. Upadinnupadaniyam anupadinnupadaniyam. Again, upadinnupadaniyam anupadinnupadaniyam. Upadinnupadaniyam. There are two words that combined together. Upadin plus upadaniya. Upadin plus upadaniya. Actually, upadaniya means all rupa are upadaniya. All rupa is subject to the grasping. All rupa is called upadaniya. Upadaniya. But those rupa, we make the two group upadin upadaniya. Means uh, grasped at and subject to the grasping. Means the means the only karma born rupa is upadin. Upadin upadani meaning there are 20 type of rupa become upadin upadaniya karma rupa, karmaja rupa, karma born rupa. And anupadinnupadani means not karma born rupa, but they are similar meaning, but just put in the only upadaniya word. Upadaniya word means the subject to the grasping only. This is the meaning. But this other all are same. Upadinnupadani there are 20 rupa. Anupadin upadani there are 19 rupa. But this one also we make the group, the red color circle and blue color circle. After that, they are clearly explaining. They are called the chart. There are 28 rupa. There are total 28 rupa. They divide upadin upadani yang ekanta. There are 9. Anekanta. There are 11. And anupadin upadani anekanta. There are 11. Ekanta. There are 8. I think maybe the similar meaning with the upadina group. This is a upadina upadaniya group. But first, before we explain upadina group and upadina upadaniya group, they are similar. Their meaning, but only the different meaning, only words. But the paramatha, ultimate realities, dhamma is the same. Same way now we go to the next group. 28 type of rupa. We can make the two group sanidasana group and sanidasana rupa and anidasana rupa. Sanidasana means visible form. Anidasana rupa is unvisible form, or visible materiality and unvisible materiality. Now, according to the meaning, Sanidasana is visible only Rupayatana. Only Rupayatana, visible object base is visible. Now, there are how many Sanidasana Rupa? Only one. Only one. This is a color object. Only color object. Anidasana, not visible object. There are 27. There are 27. Now, very easy to understand that those are 28 type of rupa. We can make the two group according to the Sanidasana, Anidasana. And how many Sanidasana rupa? Only one. How many Anidasana rupa? There are 27. Now, please check your chart. You see, number 10, they have the Rupayatana. Rupayatana, color object. The only color object become Sanidasana Rupa, Ekanta. But don't have any Anekanta Sanidasana and Sanidasana and the don't have anekanta group, only 0. But Sanidasana ekant only one rupa. Anidasana ekant there are 27. Now the color object must be the visible, rest are invisible rupa. This is the explanation according to the Dhammasangani book. Next explanation. Again, the 28 type of rupa we make the group Sappatigang and Appatigang. Sappatigang is that that which has corresponding state, means the physical sensitivities and their respective object. The subparticle is always they have the touching impingement, because the eye and the color always impinge the eye. The eye base and color, the two. Same way, the sound impinge the ear base. Smell impinge the nose base, and the taste impinge the tongue base. And Patavi, Tejo, Vayu, there are three Mahabodha, three essential rupa is called tangible object. The tangible object impinges our body. Now there are how many rupa? There are eye, color, ear, sound, no, sorry, yeah, ear, sound, nose, smell, tongue, taste, body, and three Mahabodha become 12. Those are 12 rupa, it's called Sappatiga. You see, those are 12 rupa, it's called Sappatiga. But rest are 16 rupa, we call Appatiga. There are no any impeachment, no any happening. That's why the other all we call Appatiga. Now that there are 28 rupa also, we make according chart. There are how many Sappatika rupa? There are 12. And how many Appatika rupa? There are 16. Now you see Patavi, Tejo, Vayo. There are three Mahabhuta become Sappatika, and Apo become Appatika. And Chakku, Sota, Gahana, Juha, Kai, there are 5 Pasada, and 3 Indriya become Sappatika. Chakkusota Gahana Jiva Kaya, and Rupa Saddha Gandha Rasa. Rupa Saddha Gandha Rasa, they are all become Sappatika. Now, how many Sappatika Rupa? There are 12. Again, Patavi Dhatu, Tejo Dhatu, Vayo Dhatu, there are three elements. And Chakku Pasa, Chakku, Sota, Gahana, Jiva, Kaya, there are 5 Pasada. And Rupa, Saddha, Gandha, Rasa, 4 objects. The 4 objects. All are we call Sappatika Rupa. Other all Rupa we call Appatika. There are 16 Appatika Rupa. Next one also explaining. Those are the 28 type of Rupa. We can classify it into 2 group according to the Indriya and Na Indriya. Indriya Rupa and No Indriya Rupa. Indriya meaning faculties. The Indriya means faculties. No Indriya means no faculties. Now the how many Indriya Rupa according to the 28 Rupa? There are 8. What are the 8? 5 sense faculties, and male, female sex faculties, and life faculty. Now you can see that there what are the 8? Chakku Indriya, Sota Indriya, Ghanindriya, Jivindriya, Khaindriya. There are five sense faculties. Ittindriya, Purisindriya, Jevitindriya. The Itti, Purisa, they are male and female sex faculty, and Jevitindriya is life faculty. Those are eight rupa must be Indriya rupa. Other all rupa it's called na Indriya rupa. Na Indriya rupa means how many Indriya rupa? There are eight. How many na Indriya rupa? There are 20. Again, how many Indriya rupa? There are eight. How many no Indriya rupa? There are 20. Again, how many Indriya rupa? There are eight. How many na Indriya rupa? There are 20. All total become 28. This one also you actually uh, the especially for the meditators, the who want to practice insight knowledge vipassana meditation, then when he going to uh, check about the rupa, when you are going to see the rupa by mind at that time, if you know the meaning of the rupa, and if you know the classification of the rupa, very easy to understand and very easy to design the rupa. About the next group, Mahabhutang na Mahabhutang. Those are the 28 rupa. We can make the another two group, Mahabhutan and na Mahabhutan. Mahabhuta is called great essentials. Now we know, no, there are four: earth, water, fire, and wind elements. The about the no Mahabhuta, not great essentials. There are 24 rupa. Now, according chart also, Patavi Dhatu, Apo Dhatu, Tejo Dhatu, Vayu Dhatu is called Mahabhuta. Therefore, Mahabhuta. Other all is called Na Mahabhuta. Na Mahabhuta. This is a explaining according to the Dhammasangani book. After that, explain again Vinyati group. Next classification, Vinyati group. Vinyati rupa, na Vinyati rupa. Vinyati is called intimation, bodily and verbal intimation. Only two Vinyati rupa, no? Bodily intimation and verbal intimation. Kai Vinyati and Vachi Vinyati. Please check your notes, your chart. Kai Vinyati, number 17 and number 18. Kai Vinyati and Vachi Vinyati. Only two rupa we call Vinyati rupa. Other all 26 rupa we call Na Vinyati. Na Vinyati meaning no intimation rupa. No intimation rupa. There are 26. I think maybe the if someone want to the any the bodily action or the verbal action, then bodily and verbal action is called the two vinyati. Others rest rupa we call na vinyati rupa. About the next classification, also the very important for us to know about the mind-born materiality. According to the Dhammasangani book, they classified Chitta Samuttahana group. Chitta Samuttanam na Chitta Samuttanam. Chitta Samuttanam means produced by mind. Some of the material produced by mind means mind-born materiality. Some of the rupa produced by not mind. They say not mind-born materiality. Now this one also, how many mind-born rupa, how many not mind-born rupa. According to the drawing, the red color circle is called mind-born rupa. Blue color circle is called not mind-born rupa. There are 17, 2 plus 15, 2 plus 15, there are total 17 Chitta Samuttana Rupa. There are 17 mind-born materiality. There are 17 mind-born materialities. And how many not mind-born Rupa? There are 26, 15 plus 11. There are 26 Rupa. Now see again how many mind-born Rupa? There are 17, 2 and 2 plus 15. How many not mind-born Rupa? There are 26, 15 plus 11. Now please check your chart. What are the 2, what are the 15, and what are the 11. Definitely, there are 2 vinyati, 2 intimation rupa, only mind-born kalapa, mind-born rupa. Number 17 and 18, there are 2. Kaya vinyati and vachi vinyati, 2 intimation rupa must be only chitta samutta, mind-born rupa. The same way, there are 11 rupa, not mind-born rupa. Not mind-born rupa. What are the 11? There are 5 pasada. Chakku, sota, ghana, jivha, kaya. There are 5 pasada. And 3 faculties. Itti, purisa, jivita. Same way, jarata, anicchata, and heart base. There are 11 rupa we call not mind-born material. But the 15 rupa, including mind-born rupa, including with not mind-born group. Now the 15 rupa including with the mind-born group and including with not mind-born group. But anyway, what are the 15? They are similar for the, so the join with the mind-born rupa and not mind-born rupa, 4 mahabhuta and 4 object, same way space element and 3 type of change in rupa and upachaya santati and kabalinkaru aharu. Those are 15 rupa. Again, you can read again and again, then you can get the meaning. How many rupa is a totally how many mind-born materialities? There are 17. How many not mind-born materiality? There are 26. Those are rupa, so we can make the group according to the chart. Now you can understand after it. Also, the same way, the next one also, about the according to the Dhammasangani, they are classified rupa, the group Ahara Samuttana group. Ahara Samuttanam na Ahara Samuttana. Ahara Samuttana means produced by nutriment. Produced by nutriment means nutriment borne materialities. Now, according to the drawing, The red color circle is called nutriment bone materiality. But the blue color circle is mentioned not nutriment bone materiality. Ahara Samuttana Rupa. Now, according to this way, there are don't have any of definitely only Ahara Samuttana Rupa. Don't have any Rupa, zero. Ekanta group, zero. Ekanta group, zero. But the Anekanta group, there are 14. Means there are 14 Rupa nutriment bone materialities. What are the 14? There are 4 Mahabhuta and the color object, and same way Gandha Rasa object, and Akasa Dhatu, Lauta Mututa Kamanyata, Upache Santati, and Kabalinkaru Aharu. Those are 14 Rupa is called Ahara Samuttana group. But no Ahara Samuttana group, there are 2, no? 14 for the Ekanta, definitely not Ahara Samuttana Rupa, but another 14 is Anekanta group. Now, better you read. There are 5 Pasada and Sad Sound Rupa, and 3 faculties, and the 2 Vinyati, and Jarata, Anichata, and heartbeats. Those are 14 Rupa we call no Ahara Samuttana Ekanta Rupa. Definitely including in the no Ahara Samuttana group. Again, please understand totally there are Ahara Samuttana, there are 14. No Ahara Samuttana, there are 14. But including Ahara Samuttana Rupa together become 28. All are 28 Rupa. Next explanation, next group. According to the Dhammasangani book mentioned, Utu Samutthanam na Utu Samutthanam. The produced by a temperature group or temperature bone materiality. The Utu Samuttana means the some Rupa produced by temperature. About the temperature bone Rupa, one group. No Utu Samuttana meaning no temperature bone materiality. This one also very good explanation about the Utu Samuttana. There are 15. There are 15. What are the 15? It's also including the, because before we study the 14 Ahara bone nutriment bone kalapa, but here 15 temperature bone Rupa. Now the sound including for the Utu Samuttana, because the sound can produce by Utu. Now there are 15. Na Utu Samuttana Rupa, there are 13. There are 13. Total become 28. 28. The about now you should must keep your mind about the Kama bone Rupa, Chitta bone Rupa, nutriment bone Rupa, and temperature bone Rupa. There are 4 Rupa. This is 4 group of Rupa. Because the 28 type of Rupa we can make the 4 group. Especially for our practically for the understand Kama bone Rupa, Chitta bone Rupa, Uttuja bone Rupa, and Ahara bone Rupa. Means there are When we are discerning the rupa in your body, internal and externally, at that time you can see the kalapa, group kalapa, kama bone kalapa, chitta bone kalapa, nutritional bone kalapa, and temperature bone kalapa. Definitely, according to the this notes, according this group, you also must keep your mind, because this is very important for us to develop your Dhamma knowledge, and very this knowledge enough to develop your Vipassana meditation also. Uh, about the next classification, according to the Dhamma Sangani, Chitta Sahabu group, Chitta Sahabu group, uh, Chitta Sahabu comes into being together with mind. This is a Chitta Sahabu. Actually, comes into being together with mind. Some of the rupa together with the mind, together with mind means mind-born materiality. Now, Chitta Sahabu means mind-born materiality. There are two. There are two. Only mind-born material. There are two. Two vinyati. Number 17 and 18. Ka vinyati and vacha vinyati. Two intimation rupa. We call Chitta Sahabu. Na Chitta Sahabu, not mind-born materialities. There are 26. There are 26. Definitely, two vinyatis called mind-born materiality. Others, 26 rupa is called not mind-born materiality. Not Chitta Sahabu. Not Chitta Sahabu. About the next classification, Chittanu Parivatti and Na Chittanu Parivatti. Chittanu Parivatti means happens following the mind. Na Chittanu Parivatti happen not following the mind. Happens following the mind means mind-born materiality. Mind-born materiality. There are two vinyati rupa is called mind-born materiality. Again, there are two vinyati rupa is called mind-born materiality, happen following the mind. About the na chitta parivatti we call, there are 26. There are 26. Except two vinyati, other 26 rupa is called na chittanu parivatti. No chittanu parivatti. This is definitely how many rupa arising with mind. How many rupa not arise, definitely not arise with the mind. Means there are two rupa definitely arise with mind. But the sum of the rupa arise with mind, with temperature, etc. But two intimation always arise with the mind. This is the explanation. About the next explanation, according to the Dhammasangani book, they classified the rupa Ajjatika group, Ajjattang and Bahiddang. Ajjatta is internal rupa. Bahira is external. How many internal rupa, how many external rupa? Ajjattika ayatana, Bahira ayatana. Ajjattika means there are 5 rupa. There are 5. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and body. There are 5. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, and body. Those are 5 pasada. The 5 sense rupa, it's called ajjatta, internal. Rest all rupa we call bahira. All other materials is called external. External. The four mahabhuta and the gochara rupa, etc. All are called bahira. Bahira. Now, now I think you know about the how many ajata rupa there are. Five. How many bahira rupa there are? 23. There are 23. I think maybe the code notes also you can understand. After that, explain the according Dhammasangani book, they classify the 28 of Rupa according two way, Olarika and Sukuma. Olarika and Sukuma. The Olarika is gross. Sukuma means subtle. How many Olarika Rupa? How many Sukuma Rupa? According to the that explanation, five sense and their object, five sense and their objects, it's called gross rupa. What are the five sense? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body. Those are five. Take the object, color object, sound, smell, taste, and tangible. Tangible means Patavi, Tejo, Vayu, three Mahabhuta. Now, you see how many Olarika? There are 12. There are 12. What are the 12? Three Mahabhuta and the five Pasada and the same way Rupa Saddha, Gandha Rasa for object. Those are 12 Rupa. It's called Olarika. Olarika, the gross. The Sukuma, but the subtle. How many Rupa? There are 16. One of the from Mahabhuta is Apo Dhatu, and same way Itendriya, Purusendriya, Jivitendriya, there are three faculties, and two Vinyati, Akasa Dhatu, and three changing Rupa, and other all Lakana Rupa, and the hard base and Kavalinkara Ahara. Those are 16 Rupa is called Sukuma Rupa, subtle Rupa. Now, the you see those are according to that group, according to that group, those are 28 Rupa. We classify 12 Olaric and 16 Sukuma. Now, according to the aggregates, all type of Rupa we call Rupa aggregate. Rupa aggregate. According to the bases, very important, no? According to the bases, they are all type of bases, they are 12. 12 bases. The mind, the chitta is called manayatana, mind base. And but how about the chetasika, mental factors? All type of mental factors become dhammayatana. Dhammayatana. But according to that place also explaining about the how many ayatana in the Oladika Rupa. How many ayatana? Chakka is eye base. Sota ear base. Kahana nose base. Jivha tongue base. Kaya is the body base. Now Chakku, Sota, Gahana, Jivha, Kaya, there are five base. There are five base. Okay? There are five. But how about the object? Color object. Color is object to the eye. The sound is object to the ear. Taste is object to the nose. And the smell is object to the nose. Taste is object to the tongue. And tangible, Patavi Tejo, three elements object to the body. Now you see, those are 12. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, there are 5. Sound, the color, sound, smell, and taste, there are 4. another 3 elements become 12. Those are 12 rupa, no? Those are 12 rupa become how many ayatana? Become 10 ayatana. Eye base, eye is a chakayatana. Nose, uh, ear is sotayatana. Nose is gahanayatana. Tongue is jivhayatana. Body is kayayatana. The same way, color objects, rupayatana. Sound object, saddhayatana. Smell object, gandhayatana. Taste object, rasayatana. Tangible object is pottabhayatana, become 12. How about the 16 rupa? 16 sukuma rupa. Those are 16 rupa, sukuma rupa become dhammayatana. Become dhammayatana. This is a base of the dhamma. Now under the dhammayatana, there are 3 objects. So 3 paramatta, vedana aggregate, sanya aggregate, sankhara aggregate, and sukuma rupa. Including but same way, but if when you are classify the nibbana also including dhammayatana, but not now also we are not talking about the nibbana, only rupa, no, because the rupa is 12 type of rupa become 12 10 ayatana, 16 rupa including the dhammayatana. This is my meaning. And after the same way, they are similar meaning. They are classified rupa according to the dura and santika. Dura and santika. Santika is nearby. Dura far. How many rupa nearby you? There are 12. How many rupa far than you? There are 16. Near rupa is called 5 sense, and there are 3 objects: color, and sound, smell, especially and tangible object also become 12. But far, the dura, all other materials not so nearby, those are equal 16. So at the same way, something is nearby. There are 12 means olarika, gross. Then there are 16 rupa far than you. This one become sukuma, very subtle. This way, according to the Dhamma Sangani, there are 28 type rupa. They classify according to the 2 group. And one more thing, you should understand. Before also, I already explained about the heart base. Heart base not including in the Dhamma Sangani Rupa chapter, but in the commentary also explain why heart base not including in the Rupa chapter, because we already explained under the Chitta. That's why again we no need to explain. But anyway, we already add the heart base for the Chitta group according to our notes. Then I think today we already classify the into 2 groups. Only 2 groups, Dukkha Nipata, 2 groups. We already explained, already classified according to the Sangani book. But next time, Tikang, we can classify into the 3 groups, not the now, maybe next time. In the next year also, we can continue our Rupa notes. I think maybe if someone not understand well or not clear, please later you can type the question for us, then we can give the answer. Not now, we can give the answer later also, because if you know the clearly about the meaning of the 28 type of rupa, then very easy to classify according to the Dhamma Sangani book. This one also very useful for us to develop our Dhamma knowledge, and in future to develop our Vipassana knowledge. I think enough today. Maybe we got the good opportunity to share in Dhamma with all of you. And you're also listening Dhamma. This is a pure teaching of the Buddha. After sharing Dhamma and after listening Dhamma, we all of you, all of us, accumulate a lot of wholesome deeds. Those are wholesome help for us in present and future. May I bless in you power of this merit. May all of you be healthy. May all of you be well and happy. May all of you be free from uh, dangers, free from enemy, free from all type of suffering, and attain nibbana soon. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sharing me this. Yeah, please repeat after me. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Sukhi hotu, nibbana paccayo hotu.